This is a 2010 titanium Glendale Mystique fifth wheel. Comes with a MLOR hitch. Makes it a little bit smoother on pulling. Unfortunately, this was inside of us, stored underneath the shed, so I have limited room outside here to get you photos. But it is the 30E35SA model. Has the keyless entry. And if we come inside, it has a full table with chairs dinette. We have two lounge chairs over here that swivel. Two more to the back. Fireplace and a television. Up above the cabinets is the DVD player. Refrigerator, freezer. We have the plank flooring. You can see one little plank is coming loose right there. But it has the, not only has it got a 3-burner stove, it also has an oven and a large microwave and tons of cabinet space. Those cabinets right there are very large, has a lot of capacity. We have the double sink. We have our built-in vacuum system. Is coming upstairs to the bedroom. It's a queen-size bed that you can walk around. It has a kind of neat little drop-down television. So I'll put you real close to the action. We got speakers behind the bed on the headboard. You got large hanging closets right here. Now we step into the bathroom. First thing you're going to notice in the bathroom, on the right is your combo washer and dryer. Splendid. Nice sink, large medicine cabinet. Your toilet. Now let's shower. See if we can get you a better view of the shower, skylight, built-in seat. Exit back through. We're back at the top of the stairs, looking down. I did fail to mention it has a ceiling fan. You know, plenty of speakers. There's 3 speakers right there. We got one in the corner, and we got one here behind the lounging chairs. Has the day-night shades, as you can see. This is the 2010 titanium Mystique.